August is not over yet, guys. I'm still celebrating my birthday, and I have so many gifts that was sent to me that I never get to open. But I had to stop today to open my Billboard Plaque.
Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Wagwan, bless up first and foremost. Here wagwan, may I beg you to subscribe before watching that video. Yeah, see me, so we are gonna kick it off right about now. Okay, peeps, so you don't know, Spice drop her album August 10th on her birthday. Album 10, you see me? And she says she still celebrate her birthday, you know.
August is not over yet, guys. I'm still celebrating my birthday, and I have so many gifts that was sent to me that I never get to open. But I had to stop today to open my Billboard Plaque. Thanks to Apollos, of course. I'm super excited. This was when I went #1 on Billboard for my captured mixtape. I'm super excited. Thanks to Apollos. Big up on yourself. I mean, I'm just getting a chance to pull it out. Okay, no, my birthday was very busy. My album 10 is out, which is Billboard as well. But yeah, #1 on the Billboard, baby. But hold on, I need my other plaque, because remember, Captured went #1 on the Billboard, and so did Black Hypocrisy. So I need my other Billboard plaque, baby. I want to put them on my wall. Apollos, make it happen. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, man, so it's a good look, and a lot of don't know which mixtape this is. Capture mixtape, song with Cool It. I'm in a romantic mood and them type of song. You see me? And if you check the album, it was a success, you know, like, you see me? So it's a good look end of the day celebration anytime, you know. And so it well deserved the one. And anyways, guys, I know say enough people are wonder which video that I circulate with a teacher on Zoom, and what kind of video we share do. But here I go, and you see, due to all YouTube said, I'm not going to share the video with you know. Here I'm going to tell you how you can find it. This is something different, you see me? When you go over Rocket Instagram and click the link in and buy and go up on the Twitter, you see me? Yeah. I don't know otherwise from that. Andrew Holness have a new curfew, no movements thing where that take place, guys. And the 7-day no movements, the Jaja. No people can't say nothing, but here we go and I have to load up some things that people can't talk.
Hear me now? No fire, no bun, boy. Sing fence life. Andrew Holness. Where you do? And I hear about judgment long time, I tell us say I hate this. Andrew, sing fence. Politician. Hey, don't long that. Andrew, let me tell you this, Andrew. Let me tell you this. Because people afraid to talk to you. Saying? And let me tell you this. Stop taking people them for fool, Andrew. Saying? Hope you learn the method of politics. You learn the art of politics, like art of war and 48 laws of power. You learn, you're intelligent, you have brain power, you learn that. And you come to the realizations of ghetto people, the poor people, them, the small people, them, where you discriminate. All the time, you discriminate them. But through them too near the forest, them can't see the trees. Because watch ya. Remember, say, as I get to it when we are growing up, we're frightened of the stars. See? We're frightened of the stars. And you are the first. See? You are the first politician who them turn into a star, like an internet star. When you become an internet star, people see you different. You understand? So, we get to people frightened of the stars, so we're too near the forest, so can't see the trees them and can't see. The bag of foolishness them what you do. Saying? And you know so you do it. And I like, you don't know so you do it. You're making plans for us. Future plans for us. So when you gone and all these things, and we pass off, our kids them still a struggle. You come and talk about, oh, we build a road. Andrew, we don't own a road. Chinese them own a road. We don't stop pay for that until we're 100. You don't own a road. Tell them say you take the budget. And you have to pay for that. You have to pay back all of them loan there. You come and discriminate people, and discriminate the ghetto people. They all them little man we buy the chicken back them and the aisle them and the little man them we buy them Big Jilla aisle and all these things. What you know about Big Jilla aisle, Andrew? Andrew Holness, what you know about Big Jilla aisle? You ever been to Riverton City yet? Tell me, you ever got Riverton City yet? What you consider as dump, what you consider as rubbish, that is what is dump in Riverton City. And that the kids them are got you and people are got you. Go find them food. Expiry date and product of people are use. Saying? Survival. When you put people in a survival mood, and your people do every single thing. You're put into the seat. Don't feel like you're special. You can come out of the seat at any time. All it need is just one extra vote and you come out of the seat there. See? Yes. You deal with government badness. A government, alright, watch your style and just stop dealing with the people them. You go on TV and you ridicule ghetto people. See? And you're not telling people them say everything when them brain drain. Not only when a man fire a gunshot in a man head and him brain leak out. See? When the rich people them people them own the things them, migrate go other country. Majority of this private sector don't live in Jamaica. They don't live in Jamaica. See? And no resources, nothing not there. Nothing not there. We used to provide the best sugar cane, the best that, and we start import all of these things. When you go to you make all of them things you pertain to we as big people. We you make future for we. And we not involved. And when the people them start to ask you why you get impulsive. You get impulsive. See? When a man like Foot of them company, the program and them say, oh, Andrew, this and them voice them opinion because them feel a certain way and how you deal with the people them. Instead of you go and adjust the problem, if somebody highlight the problem, you need to find the solution. That's why you're put there. You sell the people them that you're the best thing since sliced bread. And this is what you're going to do. And this is what. And ghetto people, we, the small people, them where you classify we as, them people, the only thing them are look at, hope. Hope. Saying? Hope when people vulnerable, if you're wise enough, you can use them accordingly how you want to use them. Because the people them are look hope and you. And you find out that because you learn the art of politics. And you come and you sell them the speech. See? Because the opposite party, yes, them been up the fool for them foolish too, and them are go on and they get monotonous to the people them. So them are look hope and changes and you come and you do the same thing. You do the same thing. You go and you build up new politics building. So much millions. And vote say, oh, I've built this. So new generation of politicians and all these things have lived comfortable and rare. Why you never build a regional hospital with the money? Look how much Caribbean place there. You have Trinidad, you have Barbados, you have St. Lucia, you have Guyana, much majority. Why you never build a regional hospital with that money? Zine, and have some machine we only can find in Jamaica. So everybody in the Caribbean can fly. Come to this hospital here in Jamaica to get any medication where they want because it's a regional. That's the only place you can go find that. Why you never use that? If you do the betterment of the country. No. A them thing I may tell you. Zane Andrew, you have almost 4 million people in Jamaica. You only care about 500,000. So the other 3.5 million are going to be collateral damage. Ghetto people don't understand them something I make them explain. Them will be collateral damage. So you're saving 500,000 people for kill off 3.5 million people. That's what you're doing. See it? You talk about lockdown place and COVID and liquor man we got the corner shop. Andrew, you don't know about sufferation. Because for your little, anybody will live in the ghetto, every corner shop have mesh. Corner shop people been a social distance from long time, Andrew Holness. When you go, little mesh there, and you have to talk out there, so. Go at the supermarket them now. Right now, I just have to pass some place. You don't have to have parking spot if you go in a supermarket. Everybody itch up on everybody. Then just unsanitize them and go in at the place. And then people take off mask, people run up and down without mask, bag or something. Line, congested, bag of thing are going down there. And that me I try to tell you. You know much COVID and them something that go pass right there, so. But you don't care about that. See? You don't care about them something there. You locked down the country before election. And open it on election day. The same little corner shop, the same little people them. And them go vote and not the bell. And at them. Why you never do online voting then? Since as you have kids that do online class, why you never do online voting? Now you want kids to take vaccination to go to school. And this can prevent you from the virus. It can't help you. Because once you catch it, you still can't have it although you have it. So why you being vaccinated? I'm not saying you're not supposed to. But why you don't abreast, why you don't enlighten the people them? Make them abreast about what happened. When the people them ask you why, and them go in a rage and them express themselves. Seeing? All of a sudden, 5 million police are look for them. 5 million raid. So why you not do the same energy right now? You lock down the country with the budget there for the people them are going to lock down when they have it. Them bills already exceed them income. Want to the day-to-day man them. We just go up on the road and do the day-to-day thing them. Want to them people there. One people now have fridge. See? We have to just put them thing in one little cooler. And your people still suffer boy, you know. People still have TV and them something about you, know. You feel like people still suffer boy. Yeah. Me tell you, say you never go Riverton yet. Me never see you post nothing. Me never see a lobby of a crime yet. Andrew Wallace, when me telling you these people, because enough of them people don't understand. When you're too near the forest and you can't see the trees. Them say 50,000 people catch COVID at Jamaica. Zinc fence, 50,000 people catch COVID at Jamaica. And 47,000 people are recover. See, 47,000 people recover, you know. Out of, and 4,000, and in between the 4,000, if you make it up to the 50,000, see, or 48,000, 50,000, 1,000 RIP to a lot of people will lose people in COVID. 1,000 odd people lose their life. From COVID start almost 2 years, 1,000. Andrew Holness, crime and violence are kill more than 1,000 people a year. Annually. See? Annually. That you fi fix. Stop styling people them. See? And then when you do this now, where the budget then? When you lock down the people now, light bill gone up, everything gone up. You have to keep the people then dependent. You make the people them a suffer bad man. And they vote. And then them people them loyal to a fault, them go back go vote for you. Uno not fi do it. Make them know say uno have the power. You can't have the people them a swing and a suffer the people them so like you don't care about the people them. Eh? If you lock down the place, remember me not say enough to lock down the place, but if you lock down the place, where you put in place for the people them when they have no money? A man a plan figure hustle tomorrow and say, alright, me go make the plan say Monday. People make day-to-day plans, boy, and you. People not budget like you. See? Stop being positive. Think about the people them. People have to take back the power. Stop vote for sugar and salt. I don't mean literally sugar and salt. You not put in more than one get and one get cheaper than that. And you know if you find me.